This is George Sicalius, and this is assignment 6. Um, so here's what I have. I managed to set up the normals for all of the pre-made models, as well as the skybox and height map. Um, for the pre-made models, all I had to really do was calculate the norms. They appear to look how they should. For the textured lighting, I was having some problems calculating the uh, end value. Um, as you can see, I believe I'm only getting the ambient lighting and not the diffuse or the spectacle. Um, so yeah. Um, so I'll start with my texture light. So it's pretty much just the same as the color lighting. Only difference is I'm also passing in stuff for the texture, change the input and output. But besides that, and multiplying the texture color by the calculated light color at the end. But aside from that, it's pretty much exactly like color light. Um, so this is my texture, the actual shader class, shader light. Very similar to color light. Only difference is that I'm storing a pointer to the given texture, and I'm also setting the sample for the shader. But yeah, that's really it. As for actually setting things up, I did it exactly like the color lighting. But yeah. Anyways, so for my setting up the normals for my models, didn't do that. What's this one? Okay, didn't do that one. Okay, okay. So, um, what I'm doing is I'm grabbing the vectors for a for the face, and then I have a small static class that's calculating the normal for these the given points. Um, all that's doing is getting uh, yeah, defining two vectors off of these points and using those to find the orthographic angle using orthographic vector using the cross product, and then normalizing it. Uh, but yeah, actually, where is that? So yeah, it's just a small helper class. So yeah, all I'm passing into that is the points used to form the vectors. But yeah, that's how I'm calculating my normal face. At least for the pyramid and the height map and this. If each triangle has its own set of vertices, then I'm using this. For the sphere, I just essentially, well, I just more or less use the position of the vertices, um, because in theory the sphere would be centered around the origin, so its a vector would be its position. Um, so for the sphere, I'm not using calculating the normals for the face. I'm calculating the normal for the vertice. I think that's how it's referred to. But yeah. Terrain model, same thing. Getting the points, calculating the normal face, and then passing that into the vertex array. So yeah, like I said, like I was running into some problems setting up the shader light texture. Um, but yeah, that's all I have.